Early modern Indian history begins with the decline of Mughal Empire. And in order to have a clear understanding of this decline, we need to classify the terminology early Mughals, great Mughals, and later Mughals. That is why we need a timeline. And on this timeline, we will divide the entire time period of Mughals, right from 1526 up till 1857 into three broad classification. So from 1526 up till 1556, we have the time period of early Mughals, right? And in early Mughals, we consider Babur and we consider Humayun. From 1556 till 1707, this is the timeline for the great Mughals or the imperial Mughals. We have four important rulers. We have Akbar, we have Jahangir, we have Shah Jahan, and we have Aurangzeb. Post 1707 up till 1857 is the time period of later Mughals. Right. And this time period is quite long, and the list is also long, right from Bahadur Shah I up till Bahadur Shah II. Bahadur Shah I became the emperor in 1707, and Bahadur Shah II would be exiled to Rangoon in 1857. And in between, we will see there are as many as 9 Mughal emperors, right from Jahandar Shah, Farooq Shiar, Rafi'ud-Darajat, Rafi'ud-Dawla, Muhammad Shah, Ahmad Shah. We have Alamgir II, then we have Shah Jahan III, Shah Alam II, and Akbar II. So while we consider all these emperors, in between, we see that this later Mughals, or the time period from 1707 till 1857, it occupies a very important background to the establishment and consolidation of British rule. Let us focus on these later Mughals, as great Mughals and early Mughals belongs to the time period of medieval India. And let us understand how we are supposed to memorize it and understand the context within it. So from 1707 up till 1857, it's very easy to remember all the later Mughal emperors. You have to focus upon two major Mughal emperors, later Mughal emperors. First is Muhammad Shah. Muhammad Shah, also known as Muhammad Shah Rangila, from 1719 till 1748. And then you have to remember Shah Alam II. From 1759 till 1806. Right? You have to remember two important emperors from Muhammad, that is Muhammad Shah and Shah Alam II. Muhammad Shah is an emperor from 1719 till 1748, and Shah Alam II from 1759 till 1806. Now let us understand and adjust the later Mughal emperors in between them. 1757, the moment Aurangzeb died, from 1707 till 1712 ruled Bahadur Shah I. Right. So we have Bahadur Shah I, the successor of Aurangzeb, and 1712 till 1719. This is the time period for what we call as the puppet emperor. Is it clear? It's very easy to understand because post 1712 you have the reign of puppet emperors up till 1759, and from 1759 you will be having up till 1857 emperors under protectorate. So from 1712 till 1759 we have the puppet emperors, and from 1759 till 1857 we will be having Mughal emperors under protectorate. 1712 till 1713 is characterized by Jahandar Shah, and 1713 till 1719 is Farooq Siyar. Jahandar Shah and Farooq Siyar, both of them were puppet emperors. Jahandar Shah was the first puppet emperor, and Farooq Siyar, he came to the, so whereas Jahandar Shah came to the throne with the help of Zulfikar Khan, and Farooq Siyar came to the throne with the help of Sayyid brothers. Farooq Siyar in 1719, when he was murdered, when he was forced to abdicate his throne, he was followed by Rafiud Darajat, Rafiud Daulah. Both are not very important emperors. And he is followed by Muhammad Shah. Muhammad Shah is a very important Mughal emperor from 1719 till 1748. Because during his time period, there would be rise of regional powers. Or we see this would be the time period when there would be invasions. Bajirao I will invade Delhi, Nadir Shah will invade Delhi, and in 1748 Ahmad Shah Abdali, he will also invade Delhi, but he will suffer a defeat in the Battle of Manpur. However, after Muhammad Shah, we will see from 1748 till 1759, there were two rulers, not very important. We have Ahmad Shah, known as Ahmad Shah Bahadur, because he had repulsed the invasion of Afghans. But then from 1748 up till 1754, Ahmad Shah's time period will see rise of Imadul Mulk, the Wazir, we will study in great detail. And Ahmad Shah would be followed by Alamgir II, a ruler during whose time period we will see 1757 the invasion of Afghans to Delhi and the incursion of Marathas. 1759 when Shah Alam II will become an emperor, he will be, in the initial years he will not be coming to Delhi because he was in the fear of his Wazir Najib-ud-Dawla. So when we talk about Shah Alam II, he was a fugitive emperor in the initial years. But in 1772, he will come under the Maratha protection. 1803, he will come under the British protection. So, Shah Alam II would be a fugitive emperor who will come to Delhi only under protection. First under the Maratha protection and then in 1803 under the British protection. Shah Alam II was followed by Akbar II, who shall remain as a mere pensioner of the British up till 1837. And from 1837 till 1857, we have Bahadur Shah II, during whose regime we would be having the 1857 rebellion. So while understanding this entire time period, let us understand Muhammad Shah, Shah Alam as two important emperors during the later Mughal time period, and prior to them we have Jahandar Shah, Farooq Siyar, two important puppet rulers, Ahmad Shah Alamgir II These were two intermediary rulers between Shah Alam, who was an important ruler, during whose time period we will see significant changes taking place. In fact, there would be rise of British taking place during the time period of Shah Alam too. All Treaty of Allahabad, or if we talk about Treaty of Bassein, the rise of British is during this particular time period. So now let us study the rise